Welcome to Pen Powerhouse. If you love mastering writing with AI, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. You need to watch this if you struggle with integrating technology into your writing process. The new frontier of writing where technology meets creativity. Writing is changing. Technology is changing it. The way we tell stories, share information, and express our thoughts is evolving at a rapid pace. The tools we use are evolving. From traditional pen and paper to advanced digital devices, the landscape of writing has transformed dramatically. These tools offer exciting new possibilities for writers. Imagine brainstorming ideas on a digital whiteboard or using AI to assist in crafting the perfect sentence. We can use them to improve our writing process. Editing software can catch errors we might miss, and digital platforms can help us organize our thoughts more efficiently. Technology can help us at every stage. This includes brainstorming ideas. Mind mapping software allows us to visualize our thoughts and make connections we might not see otherwise. It also includes drafting and editing. With AI suggestions, we can refine our drafts and enhance the quality of our writing. AI in particular is making waves in the writing world. It's not just about grammar checks. AI can help generate ideas, suggest improvements, and even predict trends. AI tools can assist us in numerous ways. They can help us overcome writer's block, provide inspiration, and ensure our writing is clear and engaging. This new era of writing is not without its challenges. As we embrace these technologies, we must also navigate the potential pitfalls they bring. We must be mindful of the ethical implications of using AI in writing. Issues like data privacy, bias in algorithms, and the authenticity of AI-generated content are critical considerations. For example, we need to be cautious about plagiarism and ensuring originality. AI can help detect copied content, but we must ensure our work remains unique and true to our voice. By understanding the potential and the pitfalls of these technologies, we can use them responsibly and effectively. Engaging in discussions and staying informed about the latest advancements is key. We can enhance our creativity and productivity as writers. Embracing these tools can lead to more innovative and efficient writing processes. Let's explore the exciting possibilities that await us in the world of digital writing. The future of writing is here, and it's brimming with potential. Brainstorming with Bots AI as your creative partner. In today's fast-paced world, creativity can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but what if you had a partner who never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always ready to help you brainstorm? Imagine this, you're stuck on a story idea, the blank page stares back at you, and no matter how hard you try, the words just won't come. Writer's block has hit you hard. It's a familiar feeling for many writers, a wall that seems impossible to climb. Now, imagine having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. This partner doesn't need breaks and can provide endless ideas. This partner is AI. AI tools can help us overcome writer's block. They are designed to assist us in generating fresh ideas and perspectives. They can generate different ideas and storylines. Whether you're writing a novel, a screenplay, or a blog post, AI can offer a variety of suggestions to get your creative juices flowing. They can even suggest different writing styles. From formal to conversational, AI can help you find the right tone for your piece. Some AI tools can analyze existing texts. They can break down the structure, themes, and styles of your writing, offering insights that you might not have considered. They can provide insights and inspiration. By analyzing your work, AI can highlight areas for improvement and suggest new directions. AI can also help us with research. It can sift through vast amounts of information quickly, finding relevant data and summarizing it for you. It can summarize large amounts of information. This can be particularly useful when you're working on a complex topic and need to get to the core of the matter quickly. It can even find obscure facts and data. AI can dig deep into databases and archives, uncovering information that might be difficult to find otherwise. This can save us time and effort. By handling the heavy lifting, AI allows us to focus on the creative aspects of our work. However, we should use AI for inspiration, not as a crutch. It's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. We should always bring our own unique voices and perspectives to our writing. AI can assist and inspire, but the heart of the story should always come from you. From draft to polish, AI's role in refining your writing. Once we have a draft, AI can help us refine it. AI-powered grammar and style checkers are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can identify grammatical errors, typos, and stylistic inconsistencies. Some AI tools can even analyze our writing style. They can suggest improvements to sentence structure, word choice, and tone. This can be especially helpful for non-native English speakers. But it's important to remember that AI is not perfect. It can sometimes flag correct sentences as errors. It can also miss subtle nuances in language. Therefore, we should use AI as a guide, not a dictator. We should always use our own judgment to make the final decisions about our writing. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. Ethical considerations in the age of AI writing. The rise of AI in writing raises important ethical questions. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it's essential to reflect on how we use these powerful tools. One concern is the potential for plagiarism. With AI's ability to generate text that mimics human writing, it becomes easier for individuals to pass off AI-generated content as their own work. Some students might use AI to generate entire essays or articles, bypassing the learning process and undermining academic integrity. This not only affects their education, but also devalues the efforts of those who produce original work. It's crucial to use AI writing tools ethically and responsibly. This means understanding the limitations of AI and ensuring that we use it to complement, not replace, our own skills and knowledge. We should never present AI-generated content as our own. Honesty and transparency are key in maintaining trust and integrity in our work. Another concern is the impact of AI on the writing profession. As AI tools become more sophisticated, there's a fear that they might replace human writers, leading to job losses and a decline in the quality of written content. Some fear that AI will replace human writers altogether. However, while AI can handle repetitive and formulaic tasks, it lacks the nuanced understanding and emotional depth that human writers bring to their work. While it's true that AI can automate certain writing tasks, it's unlikely to replace human creativity and empathy anytime soon. Human writers infuse their work with personal experiences, emotions, and cultural context, which AI cannot replicate. Instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it as a tool that can enhance our writing abilities. By leveraging AI, we can streamline mundane tasks and focus more on the creative aspects of writing. We should focus on developing uniquely human skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. These skills will ensure that we remain indispensable in an increasingly automated world. Section 5, Scribbling in the Digital Age, Software and Apps for Writers. Beyond AI, a plethora of writing software and apps can aid writers. Programs like Microsoft Word and Google Docs are ubiquitous. They offer basic features like word processing, formatting, and collaboration. However, specialized writing software like Scrivener and Ulysses offer more advanced features. These features cater specifically to writers. They can enhance productivity and organization. These programs often include features like distraction-free writing modes, project management tools, character and plot development templates, and word count goals and tracking. Section 6. Organization is key tools for managing your writing projects. Writing a novel or a research paper is a complex project. It requires careful planning and organization. Thankfully, numerous digital tools can help us stay on top of our writing projects. Project management apps like Trello and Asana can be adapted for writers. We can use them to create outlines, track deadlines, and manage research. Note-taking apps like Evernote and OneNote are also valuable. We can use them to jot down ideas, store web clippings, and organize our thoughts. By using these tools effectively, we can streamline our writing process and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Section 7. Grammar and Style Checkers. Your digital proofreading assistants. Even the most experienced writers make mistakes. That's where grammar and style checkers come in. These tools have become indispensable for writers of all levels. Grammarly and ProWriting Aid are two popular choices. They can identify grammatical errors, punctuation mistakes, and stylistic inconsistencies that we might miss. These tools can also help us improve our vocabulary and writing style. They provide synonyms, suggest better word choices, and identify overly complex sentences. While these tools are helpful, it's important to remember that they are not infallible. We should always use our own judgment to make the final decisions about our writing. Section 8. Collaboration and feedback technology for writers groups. Writing doesn't have to be a solitary pursuit. Technology has made it easier than ever to collaborate with other writers. Online writing communities and workshops offer a supportive environment for writers to share their work, receive feedback, and connect with fellow wordsmiths. Platforms like Google Docs and Dropbox Paper allow for real-time collaboration. Writers can work on the same document simultaneously, making it easier to co-author pieces or provide feedback. These tools can be invaluable for writers who thrive in a collaborative environment. Section 9. The future of writing. Embracing technology for creative expression. The future of writing is inextricably linked with technology. As AI and other technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools to emerge. These tools will likely push the boundaries of creativity even further. They may be able to generate different writing styles, translate languages seamlessly, and even create interactive stories. It's an exciting time to be a writer. We have an unprecedented array of tools at our disposal. By embracing these technologies, we can unlock new levels of creativity and productivity. Section 10. Unleash your potential. Explore the world of writing tools. The key takeaway: don't be afraid to experiment. The best way to find the right tools is to try them out and see what works best for you. Embrace the possibilities that technology offers. Use it to enhance your creativity, streamline your workflow, and connect with other writers. The world of writing is evolving, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. So go forth and write, explore, and create. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration.